busy moments in an urban life that cannot go. We cannot stop the progress. We are going to change. Just that we have to be a little sensitive in our day-to-day life to take care of everything what we do in terms of nature, because a bird coming to my backyard or a garden, I'm going for a walk in a beautiful greens, sitting and meditating. I think everything just gives me a lot of peace, and in my the current life and my life parallelly, I can take care of everything. So we cannot have a specific, special this thing, but parallelly we have to learn to live consciously. मुझे freedom अच्छी लगती है. I don't like, and then why I'm doing art is just to say something in my way. That is whatever is my personality. So when I started realizing and about my personality, I realized that I want more freedom in my work also. And mixed media came into existence where I have freedom to use the material. Like I have used acrylic this time, which I have never used. But acrylic on canvas goes with the way I have worked this time. Like I poured the color, I have taken the freedom. I have layered it with the I have done a lot of layering. So a lot of freedom I like to take in my work. So this is done on a door from an old door I picked up, and that is what I'm using in a frame. And this is something, you can see those red insects, which probably in childhood I could catch those red insects and play with them. How we were children, and I don't think so there was a phone or social media so much. We really purely connected with our the nature that way. Playfully we were there. So in this is. The name of this painting is Door to Earth. This door takes me back to my childhood. I have started something. I am doing something where I repurpose. I have with the women, we repurpose leftover fabrics or factory waste or something to make some kind of important items like potlies or something like that. That not only gives them some kind of a monetary benefit, but at the same time it keeps them busy creatively. Mentally they are more engaged, and also definitely instead of waste going to landfill, so it's environment. So it just Nabi is the name of that small brand which I've started with the ladies.